This is the Daily Wrap, Thursday, July 9th. Quick reminder before we start, this is for education only, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor. Do your own research. Now here is what happened today. Market shrugged off Iran. Stocks closed higher across the board. Chip stocks led the charge. SK Hynix debuts tomorrow, and our portfolio had its best day yet. Stick around for that. Let's get into it. Let's check the scorecard. The S&P 500 closed at 7,543, up by 0.8%. The Nasdaq Composite jumped 1.3%. Chip stocks did the heavy lifting. The Dow added 139 points, up 0.27%. Small caps did well too, up 1.22%. Green across the board. Story 1, the US struck Iran again, second day in a row. President Trump called the ceasefire over. He warned of more action, even a blockade. But here's the surprise. Stocks didn't panic. They pushed higher instead. One strategist put it simply, earnings season matters more right now. Story 2, chip stocks powered today's rally. The semiconductor ETF jumped 2.5%. The SOX index rose nearly 3%. Why the excitement? SK Hynix debuts tomorrow. Its IPO was oversubscribed 7 times. Broadcom and Micron both climb. Great timing for our portfolio. Story 3, oil took a different path today. WTI crude slipped below $73. That's a pullback from yesterday's spike, even with the conflict escalating. Markets are reading this as contained, for now worth watching closely. Now, what's next? Tomorrow, SK Hynix goes public, a big test for the chip trade. Delta Airlines reports too. That kicks off earnings season. Next Tuesday, the big banks report. JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citi, and Goldman Sachs too. Then Netflix, TSMC, and more mid-month. And keep watching Iran. Oil prices could swing fast. This is the portfolio shown on FinViz. I like the way they present it. So what they're showing is Avgo is up by 9.92% from the day that we bought it. Nvidia rose 1.37%, and Zeta up by 11.78%. And the total gain percentage on average is 7.69%, which is good. But don't be surprised if it goes negative, if the market goes south. That can happen anytime. That's the wrap for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.